So this is the valedictory session of the 6th International Conference on Public Key Infrastructure and its Applications. So PKIA 2025. This year we have received around 78 papers, out of which 10 papers are selected for presentation. And then the topic of papers ranged from classical cryptography like ECC, elliptic cryptography to PQC, post-quantum cryptography to quantum cryptography. And then during these 2 days of conference, we had a total of 17 talks, which included the talks from industry as well as academia and government agencies as well. So 13 invited talks, 3 special talks and 1 keynote. We also had 1 panel discussion. Just now you have seen, you are part of that panel discussion. And there were 7 international speakers from UK, Australia, Austria, Ghana, Malaysia and Canada. So this is a real outreach as well as of this particular conference this year. And also we have got the representations from different countries as well. And we had around, on an average, some 200 offline candidates, while this is also webcasted on YouTube. So we have seen that 400 plus online viewers were also there in the live streaming of this particular conference. So there are multiple teams who have worked in this particular conference, without whom it was not possible. Apart from that, we had this time a shorter version of our Tech Expo, but all these stalls that you have seen, the products that were demonstrated, all these products were indigenously developed products. The stalls, CDAC stall from CDAC Bangalore, Dr. Karthika Venkateshan, and from Trust Team, Sri Krishna, then Dr. Murali Praveen from CDAC, and Mr. Brahmanandan from CDAC Noida, and from eMudra, TVS Sensing, and Precision Biometric. We have seen all these stalls as well as their products being demonstrated. Now I request Professor C. Veni Madhavan sir to kindly felicitate Executive Director Dr. S.D. Sudarshan. Even though this is the 6th international conference, PKIA, but this is first under the National Center for Digital Trust, NCDT. Sir, 2 to 3 more felicitations to the members who have been working in this particular conference since beginning. I request Veni Madhavan sir to felicitate Dr. Balaji Rajendran, who was the TPC co-chair. It will take time, I have to announce. Yeah. Request Professor Veni Madhavan sir to felicitate the TPC chair. Dr. Anand Mohan sir. I request Dr. Anand Mohan sir, since you have acknowledged the efforts of Mr. Anup Pandey, behind this curtains and behind the stage, everything is managed by him and his entire team. So big round of applause to all of them. I request Anand Mohan sir to felicitate Anup Kumar Pandey.
Felicitate the organizing chair, Dr. Mohammed Misbahuddin. So I request Professor Venimadhavan sir to felicitate Dr. Misbahuddin, the organizing chair for this program.
So thank you all. With this, we will end the PKIA 2025. See you at PKIA 2026. Before that, again, we invite you to come for.
Yeah, while we are talking about PKIA 2026, as Dr. Misbah mentioned, the first edition of Supercomputing India is going to be in Bangalore from December 9 to 13. We are also going to host. A formal announcement will come later. The Indo-Grip 2026 also in Bangalore. It will be done by CDAC. In addition to that, please look forward to multiple hackathons, be it smart city, be it chip design, be it crypto. You are going to see many challenges. Please actively propagate and participate so that the country can grow in technology. Not only we grow, we also showcase to the rest of the world through various public events. It is important for the world to see that what we are doing is actually usable and it is done in a very short period in a very, very energetic way. So thank you.
Thank you all. One request to all the participants, if you can assemble near the stage, we will have a group photo. Down the stage. Yeah, we will.
Okay. Yes, all look forward with good smile. Yes. 1 second. Okay. Good smile. Look forward. Thank you, sir. Okay, look forward. I'm done. Thank you.